Did you just have your period? Are you tired, feeling weak all the time, can't move around as you used to, and you cannot get enough sleep? Then you probably are low in iron. If you don't believe me, then you should get checked by a doctor before you pass out and get a blood transfusion, and then you get a medical bill that costs more than college tuition. Iron is the thing that carries oxygen from our lungs throughout our bodies. Iron is used in many cell functions, so follow my directions. Don't burn the kitchen. I don't want to be sued. So, my name is Christopher Phillips, and today's nutritional food is something you probably heard about if you're familiar with Chinese food. Can you guess it? It's beef broccoli. This is very easy to make, and it should taste better than the takeout because there's no MSG. There probably is MSG, but I chose this because it's one of my favorite Asian dishes since I was a baby. I don't like vegetables too much, but I love broccoli, so I can say, oh, I eat veggies. But in reality, I just love broccoli, not vegetables. This is a mix of heme and non-heme irons. It's always better to have a variety. Earlier today, I went to the Korean market to buy some ingredients. I recommend going to the Asian grocery stores because they are usually much cheaper than American counterparts. You could get a whole lot more for less over there. You save money. What you'll need for this recipe is a few things. A fairly new pot, 8 ounce or more, beef tenderloin, which contains just enough iron for your daily need. Iron from meats absorb 2 to 3 times more effectively than vegetable iron. 6 ounces of broccoli florets in water for boiling. Vitamin C is a great complementary for iron. It's a good choice to pair with the beef. It's also cancer fighting. You also need 2.5 tablespoons of oil, 2 inches of ginger peeled and sliced, some garlic. For marination, you will need a half tablespoon of soy sauce from an Asian market, 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil. High in omega-6 fatty acid, is low in saturated fats, and contains vitamin E and antioxidants. It's been proven to lower blood pressure. 3 dashes of black pepper and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. For the sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and 4 tablespoons of water is all the rest you need. You want to marinate the beef with all the ingredients for the marinade for about 15 minutes. Bring the water to boil and add a few drops of oil. Put the broccoli florets in hot water for about 10 seconds. Then you remove it. Drain the water too. Set it aside. Over high heat, add the ginger and stir fry until you smell the aroma. Transfer the beef into the frying pan and stir fry until the beef is cooked through, and make sure the center of the meat is no longer pink for about 2 minutes. Then put the broccoli from the side and then glaze that saucy meat all over it. As soon as the sauce thickens, dish out and serve immediately before it gets cold. And you know that people don't like cold meat. That's disgusting. Anyway, let's try it out. Yummy. I can feel strong already now. You can impress your dog, family, or significant other that you can cook almost authentic Asian food. You can thank me later.